Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by redeeming the Apple gift card so the funds are available to buy Icloud. Open Settings and tap your name, or open the App Store and tap your profile. Choose Redeem Gift Card or Code, and either scan the printed code or type it exactly. Once redeemed, make sure the credit shows under your Apple account balance or as a payment method. This is essential because Icloud purchases draw from that balance first, avoiding unexpected charges to your card. Next, buy the iCloud storage plan using the redeemed funds. Go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud and Manage Storage or iCloud Plus. Choose the plan that matches your needs, 50 GB for basic backups, 200 GB for family sharing, or 2 TB for heavy storage, and tap Upgrade or Buy. Before confirming, check the payment method. Apple will use your Apple account balance first. If you share with family, invite members now. Once you confirm the buy, the storage increases immediately for all devices on that Apple ID. Finally, confirm the plan is active by returning to iCloud settings and looking at the storage bar and plan name. Run an iCloud backup or sync photos to verify space allocation. If the purchase does not complete, first confirm your Apple account balance covers the plan cost and that your Apple ID region matches the card region. Mismatched regions can block redemption. If problems continue, keep the gift card code and redemption receipt handy and contact Apple support for account-specific help. They can trace balances and complete the transaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.